There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
So good morning, what is up? Welcome back to another episode of Exploring India in the Monsoon. It is currently 5:45 in the morning and abhi plan kuch aisa hai that we are going to Panchayat Dam. And if you guys are new around here, hi, I'm Mrityunjay. Consider subscribing if you like my content. And basically we are coming out with a series called Exploring India in the Monsoon. It's basically me going to different places which are to be visited in the monsoon and have a completely different vibe during the monsoon. I've kept the name of the series very broad as India because I don't know if I will be able to travel out of Maharashtra or out of Pune with the entire pandemic thing, but you never know. If I get a chance, I really want to. So let's see how things turn out. As of now, I have to get ready and leave.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting.
So it's currently 6:15 and it's time for us to leave. अभी मैं ड्रोन वोन सब कैरी तो कर रहा हूँ, but let's see कितना फिल्म करने देंगे उधर.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time.
So as you can see, we've made it to Panchayat Dam. अभी नीचे जाके डैम के एकदम बाजू में जाना तो I don't think so allowed है. But if you see यहाँ से, you can see the dam थोड़ा थोड़ा. हम इस रास्ते पे कुछ अच्छे shots ले लेंगे and then I think we'll head back home. This was been a nice ride. So yeah, enjoy the cinematics. So after coming here, थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा है कि it is not as good as the last two locations we were at, but every location has its plus and minus. यहाँ जितनी शांति है वो वहाँ नहीं थी. Here there's hardly a soul. एक या दो लोग हैं, उसमें से भी एक वॉचमैन है जो अंदर जाने नहीं देगा. But yeah, this is such a beautiful location. अभी यहाँ आते वक्त एक और जगह देखी थी जहाँ हम लोग रुकेंगे. And you know what, I'd say this trip reminds me of the quote, it's about the journey, not about the destination. क्योंकि यहाँ आने का रास्ता जितना सुंदर था वो कहीं का नहीं था. भले बरसात और सब नहीं थी, but it was an absolutely beautiful route. एंड वहाँ राइड करके जो मज़ा आया है वो आज तक मेरे को किसी जगह पे राइड करके नहीं आया है. सो या, नाउ लेट्स गो टुवर्ड्स दैट अदर पॉइंट व्हिच आई हैड सीन एंड देन लेट्स सी.
Put up with changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down.
तो भैया इधर आता है कहानी में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट. हमें लगा कि आज तो बरसात नहीं होने वाली है, बट प्लान कुछ अलग था. बारिश बहुत ज़ोर से होने लगी और जहाँ हमें रुकना था हम रुक नहीं पाए. तो अब हम चलते हैं घर की तरफ.
So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light.
इस सफ़र से मैंने ये सीखा कि लाइफ गिव्स यू अनएक्सपेक्टेड सरप्राइजेस. मन में तो था कि आज बारिश नहीं होगी और रुकने मिलेगा. बारिश ने रास्ते तो बहुत सुंदर कर दिए थे, पर हमें रुकने नहीं मिला. तो अब हम चलते हैं घर की तरफ. सो विद दैट बीइंग सेड, आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड दिस व्लॉग. इफ़ यू डिड, हिट द लाइक बटन, कमेंट डाउन बिलो, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. Until next time, do whatever you want, love whatever you do. Goodbye, see ya.